This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening display settings directly from the desktop. This puts controls where you need them. Once there, you change resolution first because it defines native pixel size and adjusts scale if text or UI remains large. Make sure Windows detects the correct monitor. If not, click Detect. You do this now to reduce overall screen size while keeping clarity. Changing resolution is the primary, reliable action for making the display smaller immediately. Once done selecting a lower resolution, apply the change and observe how UI elements shrink because pixel density has changed. You may need to confirm the setting. If items look blurry, make sure scale is set to a value that matches resolution and preferences. Lower scale reduces UI size without changing native pixels. Next, open Advanced Display Settings to verify refresh rate and adapter info so you avoid mismatched modes. This keeps visuals stable and prevents flicker when reducing size. You finish by clicking Keep Changes and signing out or restarting if Windows requests it. That cements the new size. If you need a non-standard size, open your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, to create a custom resolution safely. Make sure driver versions are current to prevent errors. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode or restore a previous point to revert quickly. This is the single key troubleshooting tip to recover without losing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.